In the world of business, integrity and honesty aren't just virtues, they are imperative. They are the foundation of trust, the very bedrock upon which successful companies like RHR Cleaning Services are built. We hold these values in the highest esteem, and it is with this in mind that we address a matter of grave concern: theft in the workplace. At RHR Cleaning Services, we have a zero-tolerance policy for theft. We define this as the unauthorized appropriation of money, information, products, inventory, tools, or any other item, information, or idea that belongs to the company, our customers, or fellow cleaners. This also extends to fraudulent reporting of cleaning time. We believe in transparency, and so we encourage our valued residential customers to make use of video cameras, audio recording methods, and software to detect and deter such indiscretions. Any form of theft detected will be addressed with the utmost severity. Let's be clear, unauthorized taking of money, jewelry, customer credit cards, or household items is theft. Appropriating products, including inventory, samples, or broken or returned items, or any company equipment or supplies without payment is theft. Giving away products or services without prior approval is theft. The consequences of such actions are severe. Any cleaner found guilty of theft or of breaking any state or federal law will be dismissed immediately, with no warning given. We will not hesitate to file a police report and initiate a lawsuit against the guilty party, seeking restitution of funds, products, inventory, or assets. However, we are also committed to ensuring the fair treatment of all our cleaners. All claims of theft will be thoroughly investigated to prevent false accusations. In certain cases, cleaners may be required to participate in a lie detector test to maintain their active status with our company. This policy is firm but fair. It is a reflection of our commitment to honesty and integrity and our respect for the property and privacy of our customers and our cleaners. We expect every member of the RHR Cleaning Services team to adhere to this policy and, in doing so, uphold the values that make us who we are. Remember, integrity is not just about doing the right thing when someone is watching. It's about doing the right thing, always, because at the end of the day, the quality of our work is not just measured by the cleanliness we leave behind, but by the trust and respect we earn.